The people born on 20th July are impacted by Moon, the Sun, Uranus and Neptune. Your sign is Cancer. Your quality of imagination will be highlighted and recommended. You would have big dreams about what you want to be and what are the prospects through which you can achieve your aim. Your work will speak about how much enthusiasm you have. Sometimes your attitude will be bossy when you will write guidelines for others as per July 20th birthday. Sometimes you will generate dramatic situation in which you will be in lead role. This way you will be renowned. Your artistic, romantic and idealistic characteristic will be known mainly. Your heart will fall in love with art, especially poetry, literature, music and theatre. You know very well how to touch the heart and sentiments of people. You are far away from showness of dislike to do same work. The sea journey is in your destiny. You will go on this journey to promote your business and contracts overseas. Success will surely be yours in such dealings. Sometimes your behavior will be outrageous and rude. As a result, people will stand against you. Your imagination shows how much artistic you are. This imaginative power will be reflected from your speech and writing skill, which will be extraordinary. You will be blessed with skills that is called versatility. It would enable you to achieve your goals. You will be interested in collecting antique pieces, exceptional interiors such as furniture, etc. You will feel refreshed and revived if you are near the riverbank, lake or an ocean. You will have vast knowledge of distant lands. You will make your own extraordinary and quite different ways to move ahead in life. Whatever your work field would be, the prestigious and supreme position will be yours. Economic situation. Profit making chances will come to you and will stay as usual, due to which you will be able to grab the opportunity of making profit out of them. But your money making habit will go worse day by day. You should be extremely careful while dealing in money matters. Stay away from the tempting trick to become millionaire overnight as per 20th July horoscope. You should say yes to solid and reliable deals in trade or business. Your planets together are in perfect match with the trade assuring profit. These trades are shipping, import-export, commuting people or load or making unprivileged countries tourism friendly. Health. Analyzing individual's health born on 20th July is quite difficult to do. Despite having a strong body, they will not be so healthy. The cusp period of Leo ascendance starts in this date, which signifies many possibilities. But the need is to learn and get inspired from the accomplished aims. Moon will influence your health. You will be sensitive to environment and by nature. On finding fortunate and pleasant surroundings, the journey of your life will go on a smooth track without any pain of sickness. Opposite to it, if you are trapped in painful and sad situations, you can fall ill. In other words, there will always be a huge question mark upon the influence of heart on the body. You will often complain about pain and internal convulsions. There is a possibility of getting sick because of tumor as well. Intestine can be malfunctioned due to wound or injury. You should consume simple food items and drink plenty of water. The most vital dates and number for you are 1, 2, 7, 10, 11, 16, 19, 20, 25, 28 and 29. You ought to do your all significant works on the foregoing dates as per numerology predictions for 20th July. You ought to put on the colors appeasing to your favoring planets. Such auspicious colors are: Moon, all shades of green, cream and white color. The Sun, yellow, golden, orange, golden brown color. Neptune, all shades of grey color. The auspicious gemstones for you would be jade, pearl, moonstone, topaz, amber and diamond. The most important years in your life are 2, 7, 11, 16, 20, 25, 29, 34, 38, 43, 47, 52, 56, 61, 65 and 70. You would be attracted towards the individuals born on 1, 2, 7, 10, 11, 16, 19, 20, 25, 28 and 29 of any month. These are general predictions for the person born on 20th July. Subscribe this channel to get regular updates, and please do share, like and comment if you like this video and you have any query too. Thank you. Namaste.